Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're gonna put some grab bars. My father needs some grab bars in the shower here, so I'm gonna put one here and the other one over here. First thing you gotta do is mark the holes, make sure it's level, and then drill through the tile. All right guys, first thing you gotta do, these things just clip in place, but just take them off, and that shows where the holes need to be, okay? Okay, so I already marked these holes. They suggest this to be between 33 and 36 inches from the floor. So I marked those two holes, and I'm gonna put my level and then mark the other side. Okay guys, so this came with hardware, but it doesn't come with any, if you're gonna drill into studs, it doesn't matter. But if you're not, you need anchors. So I got some of these anchors. It came with a drill bit, and it says it's drilled to tile, but it sucks really. So you need a tile bit like this one. So let's go drill. Okay, so I drilled a hole and then stuck the drill bit in there just to hold it in place. I got my level. That's level. So we just gotta mark this. Alright guys, so these things, you just get these little indentations and match them up to this. Like that. They just snap right in. Okay, for this side, I just marked the middle of the wall here. And I also marked the middle of this bar. And this one's, I'm just gonna match it up to that mark right there, okay? Okay, I just marked that hole. This is in the middle. And it's 33 inches, so I'm just gonna drill one hole and again use that to hold the bar and mark the rest, okay? So I used the drill bit again just to hold it in place. Make sure everything's in the middle. Measure top to bottom. Again, I put it at 33 inches. And now it's time to put your level and mark your holes. All right guys, so it's actually a stud here, so I'm just gonna, don't need the anchor for that. All right guys, so this is what we used, Glacier Bay. This is a 24 inch bar. And this is the 36 inch bar. All right guys, so this is all the tools we used. And this is what it looks like, it's all done. It's a pretty easy job actually. This ain't going nowhere, it's pretty strong. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later, take care.